Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World and TGIF. People, yes, the weekend is here and we're going to see Mom this weekend. I can't wait to get there. I think I just might have some banana pudding waiting on me. All right, you all. Listen, my man OW hasn't been in the building for a while, but he brought fresh new creation to the table. 3 thumbs up in the door for the design alone. Now, the name of the watch face is called Square Multicolor. I'm loving the look. The layout is also on point and the watch face is interactive. Now in the AOD mode, you're gonna get the same look, the same design, just gonna be dimmed out ever so slightly. You'll still be able to enjoy this awesome design. Now once the watch face is on, if you look to the left, you're gonna get calories burned. If you look dead center, you got a nice looking moon phase right there. To the right, you're gonna get your heart rate information. I'm loving this stack time. You're gonna get your date right here. You come down to the right, you'll get your step information. Know you want to keep up with your steps over the weekend, even though you're off. And you also get your battery percentage to the left. Now, this is really a good look and it's interactive, right? Now, my watch is kind of laggy, so it may take a second for the information to come up. But yeah, my man really did his thing with this watch face. The 3 thumbs up is just a drop in the bucket for what this guy did. And I hope he comes back with some more soon. Now, you can also customize the color of this. If you double tap right here, you can change the color within the design. You got a few different ones to change to, and they're all nice. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.